One of the most important expressions you will need to learn, especially as a beginner learning French, is to know how to say where you are going. Okay, I'm going to the market, I'm going to the bank, I'm going to the restaurant. How do you express all that? At the end of this video, you will be able to say where you're going in French, and not only that, you also learn how to conjugate this verb, the verb aller, which means to go, in present tense. Stick around. Aller is one of the most common French verbs, and it is an irregular verb. So here's how to conjugate this verb in present tense. Répétez après moi. Repeat after me. Je vais, which means I'm going or I go. Tu vas. Tu vas means you're going. Il va, he's going. Elle va, she's going. On va can mean one is going, it can mean we are going, it can mean they are going, depending on the context. Nous allons. Okay, so I'm saying nous allons because in French, the rule says when a word ends in S or Z, and the next word starts with a vowel, then the S or Z will be pronounced Z. Okay, that's why I'm making the liaison. I'm saying nous allons. Okay, can you repeat that? Nous allons. Super. Same thing for the next one. Vous allez. Ils vont, which means they're going. Elles vont. So vous allez means you're going. Okay, so the difference between tu and vous, tu is used for just one person, or if you're talking to someone you're familiar with, your friend, your colleague, or your family members, while vous is used for someone you respect, or when you're referring to more than one person. Okay, so now let's look at some examples together. If you were going to the bank, for instance, and you wanted to say, I'm going to the bank, you simply say, je vais à la banque. Je vais à la banque, which means I'm going to the bank. Je vais à la banque. If you're going to the restaurant, for instance, you'd say, je vais au restaurant. Je vais au restaurant. If you're going to the museum, you'd say, je vais au musée. Je vais au musée. So now you may want to ask me, why am I using ALLER for some nouns and O for others? Alright, so let's study this formula. So in French, whenever you see the preposition a followed by the definite article la, it retains its format. That's why I say je vais à la banque. But whenever you see the preposition a plus the definite article le, anywhere you say it, then you need to contract it and it becomes o. Okay, so that's why I'm not saying je vais à le restaurant. Okay, because the rule says wherever you see a, the preposition a plus the definite article le, then it becomes o. Now, wherever you see the preposition a plus the definite article, the plural, le, then it becomes o. A-U-X. So it has the same pronunciation as the one just above it. Okay, O. And whenever you see the preposition a plus L apostrophe, then it retains its format. Okay, so I just think you should have this at the back of your mind. Okay, let's look at some other examples. Tu vas au cinéma. Tu vas au cinéma. Are you going to the cinema? So you see, tu vas au cinéma. Cinema is a masculine noun. That's why I'm using O. Okay? And if your daughter is going to school or your friend is going to school, you could say, elle va à l'école. Elle va à l'école, meaning she's going to school. Nous allons au Canada. Nous allons au Canada, which means we are going to Canada. Vous allez en cours. Vous allez en cours, which means you are going to class. On va au concert. On va au concert. Okay, so on va au concert means we're going to the concert. Okay, we're going to the concert. Ils vont chez ma tante. Ils vont chez ma tante means they're going to my aunt's place. Or elles vont chez mon oncle. Elles vont chez mon oncle. They are going to my uncle's place. Other examples are je vais à la mer. I'm going to the sea. Je vais à la boulangerie. I'm going to the bakery. And other examples. À vous maintenant. Now, can you form 5 sentences using aller in present tense? Alright, so you can quickly do that and drop it in the comment section below and be sure I'll check it out. Merci beaucoup d'avoir suivi. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't. À très bientôt.